Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, right? Today, we will be solving a vector problem question. Before we proceed to the video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And also, like, and maybe you find it full of information, you might also share it to your friends. So today we will be discussing about this this vector question about velocity. Some of you might be asking, how can we solve velocity problems using vectors? Actually, vectors is used to solve many problems in math and also in physical science, such as velocity, speed, weight, work, and so on. So right now I'm just gonna read to you the question of the problem here today. So a ball is thrown with an initial velocity of 70 feet per second at an angle of 35 degrees with a horizontal. Find the vertical and horizontal components of the velocity. So this question requires us to find a horizontal and components of the velocity. So we have to use the vector. So I'm just gonna put v, which represents the velocity, and I'm going to use the given information to write the v in unit vector form. So here v in a unit vector form equals to 70, because it is said from the information, times by cosinus 35 degrees. Why? Because it is said here that the angle is 35 degrees. So I'm just gonna times it by cosinus 35 degrees, and because this is a horizontal, that is why we are using the cosinus, and also the scalar is I. In vector, horizontal is defined by I, and plus 70 for the vertical one. 70 times sinus 35 degrees j, because again we are representing it in vectors. So now the next direction is that we are going to simplify the scalars. Why do we simplify? Because we want to find the components, to make it easier for us, because if it is in this form it will be hard. So I'm just going to times 70 to cosinus 35 degrees, which I will get 57.34i. sorry. This I got from 70 times cosinus 35 degrees. You might need a calculator for that, because 35 is not a special degree in trigonometry. So the next, I'm going to times 70 to sin 35, which I'll get 40.15j. Now I can conclude that the horizontal component of the velocity is 57.34i. Here 57.34i, but I do not need to write the I, because from the question it is asked to be given the components of the velocity, so which I'm going to write it in feet per second, because again we are talking about velocity, not like the direction of where the vector is. So here for the vertical one, I'm going to write it vertical, because I do not want to mix it up with the v I have. So I'm gonna write 40.15j. Sorry, I do not need to write the j. Feet per second, because we are talking about velocity here. So in order to solve these types of question, you need to really know how to form a unit vector using the information given. So guys, thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate your attention to this video, and if you have anything to say, then please feel free to comment below for me to also improve for my